Hello, in front of me I've got NOKIA XR21. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now go to display. Right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list where we can change brightness level of the screen manually or via adaptive brightness. Next we can change white balance, lock screen preferences like privacy on lock screen, add a glance function, add text on lock screen, show wallet, show device controls, control from locked device, double line clock, always show time info, double tap to check phone, lift to check phone and wake screen for notifications. Next we can change screen timeout between 15 seconds to 30 minutes and enable or disable screen attention function. Next we can enable or disable dark theme and schedule it. Then we can change display size and text size, enable bold text and high contrast text. Then we can enable night light and also schedule it. Then change its intensity. Next we can change screen refresh rate between adaptive and standard, enable or disable auto rotate screen, set screensaver, and in the end, enable or disable enhanced touch sensitivity. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.